Hey everyone, I'm super excited to talk about capturing more emails and phone numbers on your site, mainly phone numbers. We're seeing a massive rise in people wanting more phone numbers, not just from their new users, but also from their existing users. They have a massive list of email addresses. They don't know how to get phone numbers. I'm going to talk about both of them and combine them all in the same profile right now, right here. The biggest thing I see that's a problem is forms like this, where you're asking for the name and phone number on the same. Now, the thing here is at least you're asking for it, which is great. So even if I see this, I still think that's great that you're even asking for an email and phone number. We're seeing them as pop-ups, inline forms, embedded forms, landing pages. I see them like this all the time, which is great. At least you're capturing it. Now, the biggest problem with these type of forms is they should be multi-step and multi-capture. So you're losing a lot of people that don't want to enter in phone number because they're making them both required. So instead of doing them on the same page, we recommend doing a multi-step funnel. So first you ask for the email address, you push that into your email marketing system, as well as your SMS system. Then you ask for the phone number, and then you do a progressive form. So even if they drop off right after this, you still have the email list. There's no harm in at least getting the email address. And then you want to make sure that they're combined in the same profile as well. So the email and phone number are all tied in the same record in your email marketing system, so that when they click on an email, when they click on one of your text messages, that's all combined in one profile, and you know kind of what they're doing on your site and in your email marketing message, as well as your SMS marketing messages. So we recommend a multi-step funnel, and when you can capture the form. Now, Digioh, our platform, we actually can do all this for you. We can capture the email, capture the phone number, put it all in one profile. Make sure even if they abandon, we still grab that data as well. We integrate with pretty much almost every email marketing and SMS marketing system. If we don't have it, we'll build it for you. And then the beauty of this is every single email platform we know is also getting into SMS. So we're seeing a lot of great traction there with more of a multi-channel setup. So you're doing email and SMS marketing all in one stage. The other thing that we're seeing a lot of is on desktop, you do an email and then you do a phone number where they're inputting a phone number. And so you want to do phone number validation. You want to make sure the +1 is in there. You want to make sure there's proper opt-in with the proper legal language. Now on mobile, what you can do is you capture the email, then you also do a one tap. So they click on this button, it opens up their native SMS screen, their native SMS text messaging app, and then all they have to do is hit send, and it's boom, they sign up. It makes a seamless experience. The other thing I'm seeing is that we have a lot of clients that have 10 million plus or 1 million plus or even 10,000 plus email addresses in their email marketing database, and now they want to get their SMS marketing going. Now, most people, they just launch a pop-up or a form like this on their site, and it's only moving forward. But what do you do about all of your existing contacts that are already in your database? You don't have their SMS, and usually the best place to start is your existing database, since you have such loyal following. So what I recommend is building a landing page like this. Now notice how on this landing page, we don't ask for the email address. So what you want to do is you want to fire up your email marketing system. You want to send a blast. And in that email marketing blast, you include the email merge tag to this landing page. So they're going to go to your landing page, and it's going to be a question mark with an email parameter with their adding in their email address into that URL. And what you can do is you can grab the email address from the URL. Now, of course, you can encode it if security is an issue. And then when they enter this information in, you do an update record in your email marketing system. So something like Braze or Iterable or Attentive, you do an update record into your system there. And so when they enter in their phone number, you're just updating a profile. You're not creating a new profile. You're just updating the existing the record where that email address is stored. And so you have one unified profile. So we recommend creating a landing page, promoting the landing page within your email. If you can add a coupon code, we have the ability to create one-time use coupon codes. That will obviously get people more enticed and excited to sign up for your SMS alerts. And then you want to build user profiles. The biggest thing that we're seeing is there are two separate databases. There's a database for emails and a database for phone numbers. You want a unified profile. That is the biggest thing that you want to make sure you do. And you don't have two records. You want it all together. That makes it really easy to be smart about when you send SMSs. Because if they already made a purchase, for example, if they already clicked on one of your emails, it might not make sense to send them an SMS text message as well. So you all wanted one unified profile. We try to be the most flexible form builder. So we do pop-ups, we do embedded forms, we also do landing pages. So these type of landing pages that can do profiles, we try to do that as well. We try to be the most flexible. We try to integrate with really every email marketing system, every CDP system, every SMS platform. We're agnostic that way. So we try to integrate with everything and anything. And we have custom apps for all the top e-commerce providers as well as things like WordPress. So come check us out. Let us know what you think, and we can go beyond this as well. We can do all sorts of product recommendation quizzes and landing pages and fun experiences. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.